So, Meghan and I are heading to a little market here in Ao Nang. Christy's gonna watch the kids, and we get to have some quiet time without Heidi being a Heidi. Ryan asking a million questions, and yeah, we're just gonna go check out this little market that our Airbnb host, Roland, and our taxi driver from earlier today, Lee, both pointed out. So it's just maybe a couple of blocks from the house, not very far at all. So follow along. So this isn't we're not in a touristy area of Ao Nang. It's more almost all locals here. Handful of tourists, some expats, but I mean it's mainly just locals. Kind of like that too. It's I mean, the prices aren't jacked up like they would be in a touristy area. Okay.
If they have a good Thai pancake, we get it.
Okay.
Mashed roll, banana. Hello.
Hello. Sawadee krab. I don't know what these are. Okay, I saw somebody selling them before. But yeah, I didn't know what they were. Oh, okay. Like Hello Kitty and...
Like coconut? What is this? No coconut. Is it a fruit? Let me see. I'll get my phone.
I think she's going to show you what it is.
Sugar cane juice.
Okay, sugar cane juice.
I'm gonna try it. It's everywhere. How much? It's $5.
Kapung krab.
Is it good?
Oh, it's so good.
Is it good? Oh, it's everywhere.
Yeah, that's real good. Yeah. Is this? No. Couldn't tell if it was our friend's, Ryan's friend's grandma. Sweetie crab. What'd you say?
Spicy corn.
Oh, okay. Do we need more bananas? Probably. They've been eating them like crazy.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. 15? Okay.
I have 10. You need some shoes, some Crocs. Oh, they have them for littles. Jeans and shirts. Some pad thai. Or tofu. Sweetie crab. Different curry paste. Oh, fried chicken. They have some of the best fried chicken here. It's not overly breaded. I don't know. I can go for some fried chicken or some pad thai.
More down there.
Down on the. Oh, okay. Well, let's go back down this way.
Okay. I'll look right here. I'll be
Okay. Ooh, popcorn. Good job. Oh, wow, there's a lot more over there. Oh my gosh, look at the size of these. Wow. They're huge. See, everything's bigger in Texas, not those snails. Those snails are biggest in Thailand. Okay, I get why they're all over here now, because this is a lot of the seafood and fish. It's very pungent. Stings the nostrils. Hello, sweetie crab. I don't think we need any. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, there are a couple of things that. There are a couple of things that look good. Let me go back down this way. Yeah, a lot of fresh fish here. Fresh seafood, fresh produce. And not so fresh, the dried fish. Alright, so we we've taken a little tour. We've looked at all the booths. Now we're gonna try to decide what we want to eat. You said you wanted some fried chicken?
Yeah, I'll do fried chicken and I want to do the smashed banana.
Okay.
And probably a water.
Ready, crab? This one, Pet Mac? No. No? No spicy? Oh, okay. Any other spicy? No? Okay. Yeah, I'll do this one. I think it's just sausage. Captain crab. Yeah. So I got some pad thai for 20 baht. That's not even $1.
Or is there another fried chicken you want?
No, this is the one. And then we'll get some rice with the, so you choose it and put it on the plate.
Okay.
You know what you want. And then they'll bag it up. I'll do one of those. And okay, yeah, they got some like that. That's up to you. Okay, yeah, put a leg on there also.
This one?
The back one, I guess. There you go.
Anything else?
I think I want. Well, no, not that. What they were grabbing, good. It's okay.
Alright, those two. I'm gonna do this.
Oh, that's okay.
What it is? Rice?
Huh?
Spicy rice?
I think it's rice, and then it's got the cracklings and stuff like that in there too.
She's making more.
Oh, okay.
And one of those.
One. 25, 40, 50. How much was it?
95.
Okay.
Thank you.
So less than $3. Oh. Did you get the little bag? Yep, you got that. Okay. And then there's somebody selling some soup over here. Goody crab. They had like several different. Oh, this one over here. 50 baht. I can't remember. I think we pay like 59 or so. It was this stuff.
Is it that one? Okay. I think I'm gonna do that one.
Okay. And then this one? The Nua Wu? Okay. That looks so good.
80 baht. How much? Thank you.
Kaplan crab. So yeah, 2. Huh? 80? Yeah, so 2 for 80, and that is just over $1. Guy? Chicken is guy. Oh, we get 2, yeah.
Okay, we're going for Ryan. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
3.
So chicken is guy. Yeah, guy. Kaplan crab. Chili crab. Salad rolls. This one. Kaplan crab. Pet Mac? Pet Mac? Yeah. 20? Kaplan crab. Alright, we got quite a bit of a haul for dinner. Huh? Yeah, I guess so.
Because I want to get Ryan a pancake, I think.
Okay. Oh, one of these pancakes? Oh, there's maybe one of those.
Oh, yeah, I want to get one.
Is that a dinosaur?
Yeah.
Sweaty crab.
One dinosaur? And one elephant.
So she makes these pancakes like this with the chocolate syrup. There's the dinosaur. That's so cute. So then it starts to cook, and then it's time for the pancake batter. She also has some like little cat ears wrapped around a sausage. All right, so that was our Ao Nang night market run. We're gonna go in and try some of this food. The kids, we're back at the house already. The kids are ready to go and get their treats. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's our
There's
treat.
our haul. We probably spent maybe 15 bucks.
I think
if
$15.
that. If that. I don't even think it was that much. Maybe
Yeah.
about 10.
I got dessert.
So, okay. All right. See you on the next video. Thanks.